Associate Justice Brett Kavanaugh is now on the United States Supreme Court and is already hard at work. One of the first cases he's likely to be involved in is a case about executive power and the U.S. Census. New York State, along with a coalition of other blue states, cities, and municipalities and mayors, sued the U.S. Department of Commerce to stop it from reinstating a citizenship question on the 2020 census. They argue illegal aliens will be scared by the question and as a result will not answer the census because they fear revealing their illegal status. The states and municipalities argue this will harm them because federal funding is based in part on demographics reported in the census, and the 2020 census will show fewer illegal aliens than those that actually reside in these states and municipalities. The plaintiffs want to depose the Secretary of Commerce, Wilbur Ross, concerning his intent regarding the decision to reinstate the citizenship question. Now, it's exceptionally rare for a cabinet official to sit for a deposition, and Ross argues this is an unwarranted intrusion into the authority of the executive. An Obama-appointed federal district court judge ruled in September that Secretary Ross must sit for the deposition because this is an exceptional case, and Ross's intent and credibility are directly at issue in these cases. The Obama judge thinks Ross could shed light on the intent of the decision makers, such as Attorney General Jeff Sessions, and even a third party, Chris Kobach, Secretary of State of Indiana. The Obama judge's opinion comes just months after he refused to dismiss the lawsuit. The Obama judge said in his ruling that the plaintiffs had plausibly argued there is a heightened risk in the current political climate that the question will lead to a lower response rate because of President Trump's anti-immigrant rhetoric. This sounds like an Obama federal district court judge who is engaging in hyperbole, exaggeration, and speculation instead of ruling on the law. And this is a dangerous precedent being set by Obama judges inquiring as to the motive and intent behind executive actions in the Trump administration. In any event, Trump's Justice Department applied to the U.S. Supreme Court requesting a stay of the trial court's order compelling Ross to sit for the deposition. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg denied the emergency request, but permitted it to be raised again. Legal watchers believe the Trump administration will do just that in a short period of time. Justice Kavanaugh very well could end up hearing oral arguments on the matter. Kavanaugh has written in the past about executive power, stating we should not burden a sitting president with civil suits, criminal investigations, or criminal prosecutions, and that not even investigations should touch the great man at the desk in the Oval Office. A cabinet secretary is not a sitting president, but he's pretty close. This is an important case. The U.S. government needs to know how many illegals are residing in the country. The 2020 census is one way to shed light on that. Blue states and municipalities are fighting hard to make sure the government does not know how many illegals are in the U.S. Let's hope Justice Kavanaugh rules in the government's favor and prevents states and municipalities from deposing officials to try to elucidate their intent or motive. I'll keep you posted as this important case progresses through the courts. Well, that's about all the time we have today for this Gringy Law Lunch Break. Thanks for listening and enjoy your lunch.